Did you eat all of your treats? Cooper.
1 Pop-Tart, 2 Pop-Tart, 3 Pop-Tart. He was going for a fourth. You see his little teeth marks. I wonder who did it.
Nuko, did you go in my makeup drawer? What's this? What did you do? What did you do to that?
Did you do this? Winston. Winston, did you chew on these?
Penny, did you do this? Jackson, did you do this? Raider, did you do this?
Are you hiding? Did you poop on the rug? The new rug, did you poop on it?
You chew the chopping board, Chloe. Did you do it? Did you chew the chopping board like this on all corners? Chloe, that's such a bad girl. Don't look at me like that.
Oh my god. Who did that? Who did that? Spike? Who did it? Who did it?
Is this you? Did you do this? Did you do this? That's naughty. Come here. Come here. Did you do this? I think you did.
Murray, hey. Hey, I need to talk to you. I know you're not dead. Did you get in the trash can? Murray, did you dig for toilet paper?
Now then, who has done this? Who did it? Which one of you? Which one?
¿Qué pasó ahí adentro? Mira, tío. ¿Qué medida tomamos?
Hey, what happened here? Sadie, stay. What did you do to this baby? Sadie, what did you do?
What did you do?
Sadie, come on.
Girl.
Hey, what happened here?
Who
what
did
happened
it?
here?
Who
What happened?
did it? Who did it? Who's the bad girl? Who's the bad girl? Who's the bad
I don't know, dog.
Sadie?
We're taking you to the field. Taking you to the field. Did you hear that?